For this month's featured video, I want to give you 4 tips for talking about estate planning with your family over the new year. Starting a new year is always a time for reflection, but given how crazy the last 12 months have been, well, the dawning of 2021 is the ideal moment to reconsider what matters most in your life. And no matter who you are, providing for your loved ones in the event something happens to you should be a key part of such introspection. The holiday season and New Year are always a great time to bring up estate planning, and given the recent surge of COVID-19, talking about these issues is particularly urgent this time around. That said, talking about such touchy subjects can be tricky. In order to make your planning talk as productive as possible, consider these 4 tips. Number 1, set aside a time and place to talk. Discussing estate planning at the dinner table likely won't be very productive. Your best bet is to schedule a time when you can all gather to talk without any distractions or interruptions. Be upfront with your family about the meeting's purpose so no one is taken by surprise and people come prepared for the talk. Choose a setting that's comfortable, quiet, and private. The more relaxed everyone is, the more likely they'll be comfortable opening up. 2. Create an agenda and set a start and stop time. Create a list of the most important points you want to cover and do your best to stick to them. You should encourage open conversation, but having a list of items you want to cover can help ensure that you don't forget anything. Also, set a start and stop time for the conversation. This will help to make sure that you keep the discussion on track and prevent people from veering too far off topic. If anything important comes up that's not on the list, you can always continue the discussion later. Remember, the goal is simply to get the conversation started. It's not about working out all the details or the dollar amounts. 3. Explain why the planning is important. Assure everyone that the conversation isn't about prying into anyone's finances, health, or relationships. It's about providing for the family's future security and well-being, no matter what happens. It's about ensuring that everyone's wishes are clearly understood and honored. It's not about finding out how much money someone stands to inherit. Talking about these issues is always a good way to avoid future conflict and expense. When family members don't clearly understand the reasoning behind one another's planning choices, it's likely to breed conflict, resent, and even costly legal battles. 4. Discuss your planning experience. If you've already created your plan, start the talk by explaining the planning documents you have in place and why you chose them. If you worked with us as your family business lawyer, describe how the process unfolded and how we supported you to create the plan designed for your unique wishes and your needs. If you have loved ones who've yet to do any planning and they have doubts about its usefulness, discuss their concerns in a sympathetic and supportive manner. Share with them how you dealt with the similar issues whenever it's possible for you to do so. As your family business lawyer, I can help guide and support you in having these intimate discussions with your loved ones. When done right, planning can put your life and relationships into a much clearer focus and offer peace of mind knowing that the people you love most will be protected and provided for no matter what. On the first Friday of each month, the Gordillo Law Firm will have videos on how to use the law to take care of your business and your family. We'll also provide a spotlight for a local artist or arts organization. This month's videos are here on the right. If these subjects interest you, consider subscribing. And of course, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button for us.